The bike horn. It is one of the most destructive weapons of Toontown. It can easily destroy the toughest cogs in Toontown. Just watch. Well then. I can assure you it can destroy lower cogs. Like this level 5 mover and shaker. Well, it must be able to at least destroy a level 1 cog. Right. How come a level 1 gag can't kill a level 1 cog? There must be a mistake.
No sir, a bike horn only does 4 damage. You can kill a level 1 cog when Toons use a bike horn. Watch and learn.
OMG, this gag is so useless. But you should get it anyways. LOLOL.